Denari's definition of a tribute is a gift given in memory of or in honor of someone. The tribute feature allows you to first create a tribute record, then link gifts to that record. You can then use that to get a report based on that tribute filter and also send letters to survivors. We'll talk more about that later. First, let's set up a tribute record. Click the plus sign at the top of the page here and then go to Tributes. Here you see a list of existing tribute records. Click Add New to create a new one. Fill in the description field. This is usually the person's name. However, if you plan to include this field on your thank you receipts, you may want to put in a line of text like "in memory of John Doe." Tech support then can add the description merge field to the thank you receipt template, and it will show exactly what you enter in this field for gifts linked to this tribute. The tribute code field is just like all other code fields in Denari. It must be unique. Some people use some form of the person's name, but you can use whatever you want here. You just can't have two the same. The sort string field can be used as a search field, and most people use last name, first name. The active checkbox allows you to make this tribute inactive by unchecking the box. That will remove it from the list in gift entry and prevent someone from linking gifts to an inactive tribute. The tribute type field is only for informational purposes. It doesn't get used anywhere either as a filter or a merge field on a report. The next section relates to survivors. They are the family members or friends who would want to receive an update on the amount of donations raised on this person's behalf. There is a letter that can be produced through Denari that you can send to these survivors. The top part of the statement shows a letter body, and the bottom section lists the people who have made donations along with their name and address should the survivor wish to send a thank you. The letter does not show the specific amount each person gave, but only gives a total for all donations. The letter field here is where you will select the letter body for the survivor letter. You will create that ahead of time just as you do other letters by clicking the plus sign and then selecting letters. The next three fields are where you connect the survivors. You will first need to enter them into your data in name list management. Then click the search icon to find the name records and select them here. You can have up to 3 survivors. We'll talk more about the tribute letters in a moment. Let's look quickly at a gift record. Click the Gifts Pledges link here on the left, and then Gift Batching. I'm going to select a gift batch that's already here and is open, but you could create a new one if you want. I'll click Gift Entry to see the list of gifts in the batch, and then I'm going to click Add New to create a new gift. Here you'll fill in the gift fields just as you normally would. In the Details section, we find the Tribute field. Click the drop-down to find the tribute you want to link to this gift and select it. Now this gift will count toward that tribute. To run the tribute letters, click the Correspond link here on the left, and then Tribute Letters. The big section here at the top is irrelevant to these letters, so we'll jump down to the bottom, and we see the Only Print for Gifts Since field. You will enter a date here. This field allows you to control which donations are included in the letter. So for example, if you run this on the 1st of each month, you would enter March 1st here. Next month, enter April 1st, etc. In that way, the survivors are only seeing new gifts each month in their letter. Now click the Submit Request button at the top of the page to run the report. Denari will put a file in your inbox, and you can print the letters and drop them in the mail. There is also a basic report called Tribute Listing. It is more of a management report that will show you a summary or total of donations by tribute in a date range. You can find that by clicking the reports link here on the left. Then click on miscellaneous. And now we can click the tribute listing link. Again, we'll skip this top section at the top. And down at the bottom we can enter a date range, either a starting and ending date range or a relative date range. You can choose your output type and then click the submit request button here at the top. Again, Denari will put the report in your inbox and show you a list of tribute gifts for that date range. Finally, if you need a list of gifts given to a tribute or a range of tributes, you can also use Gift Segmenter. Review the video on Gift Segmenter for more information about how gift segments work. This concludes this video on Denari Tributes. If you have any questions, please contact tech support by clicking the Help button in the upper right corner.